Morning, everybody. It's Dave. I got myself a juicer. Supposedly, juicing celery cleans the liver, detoxifies the body of all these amazing things. So I ordered this new juicer from Amazon. I'm going to go ahead and give it a shot today and see how it works. So I'll show you what I got. Anyway, here's the box from Amazon. I don't know how to say this. It's going to sound bad. AICOK, I don't know. That sounds wrong. But anyway, it's a slow juicer. And supposedly does a pretty good job. It was like $125 from Amazon. So I'll go ahead and open it up and see what's inside here. Okay. Got a little warranty card. I probably won't use that. I never use these things anyway. It's a kind of healthy living nutrition book. And the manual that nobody usually ever reads. The carton, heck, I don't know. Must be the top. Let's get them and package that. A couple of canisters. Put the juice in, I imagine. So it has two of those, a smaller one. I could be talking out of my butt here. Here's a measuring cup. This looks to be the part that does all the work here. A little screen filter thing. It looks like an auger. Kind of reminds me of work a little bit. Not sure I like that part about it. Here's I don't know what this is. Not even going to tell you. And there's a brush for a favorite part of every process. It looks like is cleaning. Not the favorite part. And inside, the thing that does all the work, it looks like. And again, I said this name, I have no idea. That would be a good thing to look up because I'm sure AICOK is not what they intended people to say. But however, it is catchy. I mean, you won't forget it. The spelling's a little weird. I'm not going to tell you how I'd spell it. Anyway, there's the mixer and the plug. You got 3 prongs, so you'll need a 3-prong to plug it into. I'm going to go ahead and set this thing up a little bit. Right now I just got a big mess here, and I have no clue what I'm doing yet. I'm going to go ahead and try to figure out how to put this thing together. Maybe I will break my rule and follow the rules and read this thing. Actually, I do use directions. Step 1, wash everything. You don't know where it's been, you definitely don't want to eat out of that until you've cleaned it. Brought to you by Dawn and the cute little duckling. Looks like Dawn helps save wildlife. Actually, that's why I buy this. I mean, it makes me feel good. I say to start with 16 ounces of celery, and I used Google. That's actually 473 milliliters, and I have a cup here with the machine, which I now have put together. So it looks like I'm going to go with about 500 milliliters. Yeah, right, Oliver. Yep, that's what we're going to do. So go ahead and wash your celery. This is organic, by the way. That's what they recommend. So everything is washed. Go ahead and chop it up into smaller pieces that you can fit into your juicer. So I'm all set up and ready to go. Just have to put the food into the feeding hole. It looks like all you have is an on and off button and a reverse in case things go bad. There we go. So I got a little less than 400 milliliters. I was shooting for 5 out of 1 pack. And to save dishes and cups, I'm just going to drink it right out of the beaker. And it's not that bad. So here's to your health. And if you like this and try this, let me know how it goes for you. Hopefully this makes a difference. It's a lot of work. It supposedly helps clean you up. Makes a younger, healthier you. Celery juice. The magic.